Hello everyone, myself Sujit Sanjay Patil, faculty Shri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal, College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad, Pune. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic sale. Contents. After watching this video, students will able to explain the following terms regarding to the topic the sale. Introduction, cell theory, cell organization, physical structure, mitochondria and Golgi apparatus. Introduction. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Robert Hooke, an English scientist, observed a thin slice of cork under the microscope in 1665. He described small spaces surrounded by wall and named them cells. Later, Robert Brown discovered the nucleus of the cell. The cell theory. The cell theory put forth by two scientists, Mathis Shidden and Theodore Schwann. The theory is as follows, with modification by Rudolf Virchow in 1855. All living organisms are made up of cell and their products. Cell is the structural and functional unit of organism. New cells are formed by the division of the pre-existing cell. Cell is divided into two types, eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Organization of the cell. Cell has two major parts of the nucleus and the cytoplasm. The cell nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by nuclear membrane and the cytoplasm is separated from the surrounding fluid by the cell membrane, also called the plasma membrane. The basic constituents of the cytoplasm are as follows. First, water. The principal fluid medium of the cell is water, which is present in most of the cell except for the fat cells in a concentration of 70 to 85%. Ions. The most important ion for the cell are potassium, magnesium, phosphate, sulfate, bicarbonate and small quantities of sodium chloride and calcium. Proteins. After water, the most abundant substance in most of the cell are proteins, which normally constitute 10 to 20% of the cell mass. These can be divided into two types, structural protein and functional protein. Lipids. The specially important lipids are phospholipid and cholesterol, which constitute 2% of the total cell mass. In addition, phospholipids and cholesterol, some cells contains large quantities of triglycerides, also called neutral fat. Carbohydrates. They have little structural function in the cell except as a part of glycoprotein molecules, but play a major role in nutrition of the cell. It accounts to 1% of the total cell mass. The cell theory. The cell theory put forth by two scientists, Mathis Shidden and Theodore Schwann. The theory is as follows, with modification by Rudolf Virchow in 1855. All living organisms are made up of cell and their products. Cell is the structural and functional unit of organism. New cells are formed by the division of the pre-existing cell. Cytoplasm and its organelles. The cytoplasm is filled with both minute and large dispersed particles and organelles. The clear fluid portion of the cytoplasm is called cytosol. There are five major organelles: endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, nucleus and lysosome. Endoplasmic reticulum. Granular endoplasmic reticulum. There are several minute granular particles called the ribosomes. The ribosomes are composed of RNA and proteins, and they function to produce new portions in the cell. Smooth or agranular endoplasmic reticulum. It functions for production lipid substance. Golgi apparatus. This apparatus prominent in secretory cell, where it is located on the side of cell from which secretory substance are extruded. Apparatus works in association with the endoplasmic reticulum. The substance produced in the endoplasmic reticulum are transported to the Golgi apparatus via the transport vesicles or the ER vesicles. The transported substance are then processed by the Golgi apparatus to form lysosomes, secretory vesicles and other cytoplasmic components. Lysosomes. They serve as intracellular digestive system that allow the cell to digest damaged cellular substance, food particles that have been ingested by the cell, unwanted matter such as bacteria. The lysosomes are usually 250 to 750 nanometer in diameter. It is surrounded by a lipid bilayer membrane and is filled with large number of small granules 5 to 8 nanometer in diameter, which are protein aggregates of as many as 40 different hydrolase enzymes. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It is composed of two lipid bilayer protein membrane, the inner and outer membrane, many enfoldings in the inner membrane from shelves onto which oxidative enzymes are attached. The inner cavity is filled with a matrix that contains large quantities of dissolved enzymes that is necessary for extracting energy from the nutrients. The released energy is used to synthesize high energy substance called adenosine triphosphate, that is ATP. Centrosome and centrioles. Centrosome is a round and dense mass of cytoplasm present near the nucleus. Within the centrosome lies a pair of centrioles. The individual centrioles are so arranged that they look like T. Each centriole consists of 9 microtubules. During cell division, the centriole divides into two, and the two centrioles appear at two different poles of the nucleus. Further, these two centrioles are connected by spindles. Cell is divided into two types, eukaryotes and prokaryotes. Organization of the cell. Cell has two major parts of the nucleus and the cytoplasm. The cell nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by nuclear membrane, and the cytoplasm is separated from the surrounding fluid by the cell membrane. also called the plasma membrane. See the diagram of cell. Thank you.